It is narrated from Hazrat Abu Hurairah that the Holy Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, said that there are more than 60 branches of faith, and modesty is a very big branch of faith. Apart from Imam Bukhari, Muslim, Nasai, ابودائود, Ibn Majah also wrote this hadith in their books. Explanation of words. The word is spoken on the number from 3 to 9 in counting. A branch is called a branch. The translation of higher is shame, which is also called loy in Hindi. Hazrat Alam Badawi, may Allah have mercy on him, while commenting on the word modesty, wrote that al-hayya is the shrinking of the soul from fear of condemnation. In fact, it is an attribute between insolence and shyness. Insolence is that a person becomes so shameless and dishonorable that he does not hesitate to do something bad. And shame is that a person becomes so shy that and they began to shy away from bad deeds, and modesty is to shy away from bad deeds thinking that people will condemn them and not to shy away from good deeds. Arrogance and shyness are both the reprehensible and bad qualities of a human being, and modesty is the most auspicious and desirable attribute of a human being.